Hi, it's Stacy at Wayside Garage, and I'm here with Marcus. We have a client that had their vehicle towed in. Prior to being towed in, they had a concern about a knocking noise. When it got here, Marcus checked the engine oil level before starting it because we want to make sure that there's oil in it.
And it is full.
The oil is full and it actually looks pretty clean. So we had a conversation with the client and found out that they actually added oil to the engine. Sadly, it was after they started hearing the knocking noise. And what's happening is that now that even though it has oil in it, they kind of let it go too long. Marcus, don't you? The engine can burn oil, right? Did you find any leaks?
Oh yes, there's leaks all over the place.
Okay, so not only do they have leaks, but your engine oil, you can burn oil. Manufacturers say 1 quart for every 1,000 miles. So it's extremely important to make sure that you're checking your oil level to avoid catastrophic damage to your engine. So the reality of it is, at this point, this client is going to need to have either an engine repair or an engine replacement. We here at Wayside Garage, we like to make sure that we schedule you every 6 months or every 5,000 miles, whichever comes first, to make sure that you don't run into a situation where your engine is knocking and you have to pay for an extreme repair. So give us a call, 831-899-2425, or set up your reservation online at www.waysidegarage.com. Thanks, Marcus.
Thank you.